particularly dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties, which are within our broadcast reach: Bath, Carter, Elliott, Estill, Fleming, Johnson, Lewis, Magoffin, Menifee, Montgomery, Morgan, Powell, Rowan, and Wolf. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We'll now return to recorded programming.
This hazardous weather